Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shobhan Alamin. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Make Money Online, powered by bestmt4ea.com. In this channel we discuss about making money online and try to figure out how we can be a millionaire in next 4 years. So if you are one of us and want to become a millionaire, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can be notified about forex trading tips and other online income sources which will help you to make money online.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show